Hi, and welcome all to a fresh new episode of Career Growth. आज के एपिसोड में हम मेमोरी टेक्निक्स पे बात करेंगे। ये मेमोरी होती क्या है? मैं बहुत जल्दी भूल जाता हूँ। I cannot remember information for longer duration, and especially big answers तो मुझे याद ही नहीं हो पाते। So, when we talk about memory, for your information, it is an individual's ability to store, retain and recall the information. I'm sure memory ये word आपने हर चीज में, especially technology में बहुत सुना रहेगा. Be it a camera, a laptop या computer, हर एक में memory card तो होता ही है, but with limited capacity. Minimum 1 GB to maximum 64 GB and expandable. But human memory is unlimited. What matters is how do you store the information. तो ये store करने के जो tips हैं, we will tell you later. But before that, let's understand the various types of memories. There are 3 types of memories. One is sensory, second is short term, and third is long term. Sensory memory वो memory होती है जहाँ पे the information is stored for few seconds. शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी वो मेमोरी होती है जहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन इज सेव्ड फॉर फ्यू आवर्स और फ्यू डेज. लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी इज दैट मेमोरी जहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी स्टोर्ड टिल योर लास्ट ब्रेथ ऑफ लाइफ, एज इन द लाइफ लॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन इज बीन सेव्ड इन लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टोर योर कंटेंट दैट यू आर स्टडिंग, the concepts that you're learning. It should get registered, it should get saved in your long-term memory. तो long-term में information पहुँचेगी कैसे? So I'll suggest few tips. So the first tip is pay attention. When you're studying, especially when you're studying independently या फिर school में, college में आपको जब teachers पढ़ा रहे हो, ensure that you put in your 100%, do good listening, so that पढ़ाई तभी की तभी आपके मेमोरी में कैप्चर हो जाएगी. So it's very important that you pay 100% attention. The focus has to be strong to capture maximum information at first go. The second tip that I would suggest is keep on repeating the information. कहा गया है, रिसर्च कहता है कि जितनी information आप दोहराओगे, the more you repeat, you practice, it will get transformed in your long-term memory. And sure, the way I said, when we talk about studies, it needs to be stored in our long-term memory. Many times we hear people say, याद नहीं रहता, भूल जाते हो, and especially the big answers. तो वो कोई भी subject हो, तो यहाँ पे solution यही दूंगी. There's a concept called chunking. It's a psychological terminology which means कि ये जो बड़े-बड़े answers हैं, we divide them in smaller chunks. छोटे छोटे हिस्सों में उसे डिवाइड करके हमें याद रखने की कोशिश करनी है. सो दिस विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेंबर बिग आंसर्स. तो वो साइंस सब्जेक्ट हो, सोशल साइंसेस हो, मैथमेटिक्स हो, or whichever subject you find it difficult to remember. So that's very important that you divide it and try to retain the information. Also, one more tip that I would suggest is paraphrasing. अब paraphrasing होता क्या है? Many a times I've seen students, if they don't understand, they just continue reading. This can be a checklist for you. After you study every chapter, try and write it down in your own words. खुद के शब्दों में लिखा करो. That will be a sign for you to understand कि वो subject, वो topic, वो parameter आपको समझ में आया है कि नहीं. So it is very essential that you script it, write it down in your own words that you have learned. So that is what paraphrasing talks about. Beyond that, very important that you need to be more organized. So now when I say organized, I mean your study material, the stationery required for you to continue with your studies. So ensure that if you're going to sit for studies for next couple of hours, आपके textbooks, workbooks, basic stationery जो भी लगने वाली है, you organize yourself prior and sit with all the required material. So you can just concentrate, you can just focus for the next hours and there's no disturbance. ये देखा गया है कि if you get up 10 times while you're studying, your concentration breaks and then जो भी information आप store करने की कोशिश करना चाहते हो वो store ढंग से नहीं हो पाती. So it is very important that you organize yourself correctly and then start your studies. And also, to make your revision little lighter during your exam days, in the initial phase when you're learning any concept, when you're doing something new, have a habit of underlining the main points, highlighting the main points, or probably making a tree diagram besides that respective paragraph. This will reduce your revision time during your exam day. So it is very crucial that you identify the best cues in which you can ensure that your revision becomes easier. Last but the most important thing is making last minute revision cards. And most important, learning ho gaya, you have understood the concept, you have done the repetition, revision. The last stage, I would say, write it down, which means you will have to practice via writing. That will help you understand whether whatever you have tried to retain, it is still there or little bit forgetting has happened. So practice as much as you can via writing. Studies ये कहता है कि कोई भी memory अच्छी या बुरी नहीं होती. We all blessed with good memory. पर the challenge is जिस तरीके से हम उसे information को store करने की कोशिश करते हैं, that would determine our recall capacity. So it is very crucial that if you want to perform better in life, I would appreciate if you just make optimum utility of the tips suggested in the episode. आज के लिए bye. We'll surely meet you soon. Catch you up again. But before going, if you have enjoyed the episode, do like and subscribe Career Growth.